Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for all things home improvement. Today, we're going to dive into a fantastic product that's sure to make your bathroom stand out: the Art3d 10-sheet self-adhesive tile backsplash. If you're looking for the best bathroom wallpaper alternative, this is it. Now, we all know that bathrooms can get a bit tricky when it comes to finding stylish yet practical wall coverings. That's where this peel and stick tile backsplash comes in. It features a stunning marble design, perfect for adding that luxurious touch to your space. But it's not just about looks. This tile is designed for durability and easy maintenance, which makes it perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or any high moisture area. Let's talk about installation. One of the best things about this product is that it's super simple to apply. No need for grout, glue, or special tools. All you have to do is peel off the backing and stick it to your wall, easy as that. Whether you're working with a smooth or slightly textured surface like plywood or cement, these tiles will adhere seamlessly. The tiles are made from premium PVC, which gives them a sleek, finished look, and they come in 12 by 12 inch sheets, giving you plenty of coverage with the 10 sheets included in the pack. The material is thickened with a special gel layer, giving it a three-dimensional effect that makes the marble look even more realistic. This feature is perfect for creating a truly high-end finish without the expensive price tag. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or giving your bathroom a fresh new vibe, these tiles are the ideal solution for anyone looking to renovate without the hassle. And because they're self-adhesive, there's no mess to clean up afterward. Just peel and stick. No grout, no glue, no hassle. If you're after a quick, easy, and affordable way to refresh your bathroom or kitchen, the Art3d peel and stick tiles are a fantastic choice. With their realistic marble look, practical installation process, and durability, you'll be left with a stunning transformation in no time. So if you're ready to elevate your bathroom or kitchen with minimal effort, be sure to check out the Art3d self-adhesive tile backsplash. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more great finds, and don't forget to subscribe.